Hello everyone, my name is Hayden Danielson and I am the Senior Onboarding Coach here at Tovuti. In this walkthrough, we'll be reviewing how to use the Certificate Designer. Certificates represent one of the most customizable awards and gamification options in Tovuti. Certificates can be downloaded, shared, or even printed once a user has earned one. Creating various certificates for when a user has completed something noteworthy can provide the user with an instant sense of gratification. Let's start with the basics and take a look at the initial details that can be customized for a certificate. There are a multitude of options to customize under the Details tab. Some of these areas include the title, description, and background image. As you make edits, take note that you can see your changes live on the right-hand side of the screen, as a small preview of the certificate will appear. Next, you'll be able to edit the header, introduction text, recipient name, subtext, and footer areas. Let's go ahead and continue to scroll down here and check out each of those options. While we're at it, let's go ahead and throw in some different text. In the header text, I'm going to go ahead and write Certificate of Completion all the way across the top. And although that takes up a lot of real estate, this is just an example. We can also customize the bottom part here. And maybe I want to eliminate all of that. One little trick that you can use is if you want to make that subtext disappear, you can click on the space bar and we'll easily take it out. We can also customize these other sections, but I'm going to go ahead and scroll a little bit further down. As we continue to scroll down, you'll see that if you want to customize these areas further, you can click on Show Options. When you do so, you can customize the font, size, and color of most of these areas. And then we can always hide those. Towards the bottom of the details, you can edit the logo and seal overlay type that you may want to use. Your logo will by default appear in the middle of the certificate, and the seal overlay type is simply this little diamond icon that appears by default that you are also welcome to change. This can either be an icon or an image, depending on how you want that to appear. If we go back up to the top of the screen, the next tab that we have is labeled Dynamic Fields. You may also hear this referred to as Dynamic Merge Fields. The Dynamic Merge Fields tab can help populate information from the user's account onto the certificate. For example, we can copy information such as addresses, phone numbers, websites, course completed, and other key information that we see down below. Once you click on one of these fields, you can copy and paste it into any of the text areas under the Details tab. So let's go ahead and use course completed as the example. I'm going to click Control-C, or you can right-click and click Copy. In the Details tab, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I'm just going to add this in for our introduction text. And in this case, maybe I want all of those courses completed to be listed. That's exactly what we can do with these merge fields. If the default options don't provide enough customization for what you have in mind, there is a CSS styling tab, which allows admins to insert custom code into the certificate design. Admins can use custom CSS to move existing fields or add additional elements or styles to the page. Right-click the preview of the certificate back on the Details tab, and then click Inspect. This will help you to gather the CSS data needed to modify this certificate. Once you have that data or an area that you want to customize, you can then bring that over to your custom CSS tab. Creating customized certificates provides users something tangible that they can reflect upon once they have completed something on your platform. By updating the design, learners feel more connected to the content they are completing and are encouraged to complete the next course or task. Thank you all so much for taking the time to understand how to utilize the Certificate Designer. We hope that this information is helpful as you continue to build out your one-of-a-kind platform. We'll see you all next time.